Hi, my name is Matt Bernstein, successful online instructor of over 175,000 students, and today we're going to talk about Snapchat and why I'd recommend my mother to buy it. I'm not licensed in the financial industry to recommend you to buy anything, so I'm recommending my mother to buy it. So Snapchat has 188 million daily active users. That's down from 191 million daily active users, but it's still pretty good, and they can monetize it. They can monetize all those users. You can see it's at an all-time low right now at $6.84. This is a chart, the weekly chart, and it's down from a high of $24 from March of 2018. Sorry, March of 2017. Why I'm recommending my mother to buy Snapchat is simple. I like simplicity when I recommend stocks to my mom. It was a high of $22 in February of 2018, went all the way down to $11, so the stock essentially cut in half from its highs earlier this year. In June of 2018, the high was at $14, so it's essentially cut its value in half again. That's why I think it's a good price for my mom to buy it at. Going back to Snapchat daily active users, 188 million daily active users. Now, Twitter has 330 million daily active users. Facebook, Instagram has 700 million daily active users. Facebook has probably over 1 billion daily active users. So if you're viewing Snapchat competing with Instagram, it's probably not going to win. But when you compare it to other things, not every company has to beat Instagram. So once you stop focusing on Snapchat's growth and start focusing on monetizing those 188 million daily active users, we can get down to the real business. Snapchat does not consider itself a social media platform. It considers itself a media platform. So let's compare it to CBS. CBS in the fourth quarter had a revenue of $4 billion and full year revenue of almost $14 billion. Their total viewers average for the day was 9 million users. 9 million people, daily active users. 9 million. Their biggest show, Big Bang Theory, 22 million people use it, and primetime viewership is almost 13 million people per day on average. Anytime CBS puts out a primetime show, their average viewership is almost 13 million people. So Snapchat numbers squash CBS. CBS right now only has a reach of 120 million homes, a reach. They can reach 300 million people, but they don't. Their market cap is 21 billion. Snapchat market cap is 9 billion. Once Snapchat and the rest of Wall Street stops focusing on Snapchat can't grow their user base anymore and start monetizing their behemoth of 188 million daily active users, they're going to start making that $12 billion in revenue up from 825 million. Because right now, Snapchat is focusing on top-line growth. They're going to spend money in order to grow and capture as much market as they can. Once they start focusing on that bottom line revenue, they can start monetizing their user base, which is mostly in high schoolers. So they got young 18 to 24-year-olds who are the future of the United States of America. So they're going to be around for a long time. Everybody's talking about Snapchat is going down the drains. A company with 188 million users per day is not going out of business anytime soon. More likely, company that's going out of business is CBS, because digital ad spending for the first time in 2017 was more than TV ad spending. Mom, buy up some Snapchat for those reasons that we just listed out. You can find me on skillhance.com You can find me on YouTube. I'm going to start a patreon.com membership where you can find out more stock picks. Check out my Quora. I tell my mom to buy it at $14. See what Twitter's at today. Over a year later, $28. You could double your money in a year and a half. The previous high in the summer was $46.